Hello everyone, this is Carrie and I am here at my sewing machine today to show you how I am doing some of my snippets that have free motion words written on them. A lot of you have asked me about how I'm doing that, and I'm just making these little snippet clusters for my junk journals, and I'm just writing words. You can write any word you want to write on them. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing that today. I have a piece of fabric with a piece of heat and bond light fusible fusible webbing, fusible interfacing. Actually, I'm on the wrong side too. I didn't think about that. That I have ironed onto the back. So let me take this back out. This, oh yeah, I'm going to do it on the back side of this one. I sure was. This is a piece of upholstery fabric. This is the side with the fusible web on it. And yes, I am going to use this side because I want it to show up on the camera. So anyway, I am just simply stitching very gently with my feed dogs down. My feed dogs, you can see up under there, they are down. So it is smooth, and I am doing all the driving. I am gently pushing my pedal, and I am going to write the word hello. It's that simple. And then you cut your thread. Now, if you want to, you can write your word ahead of time with a disappearing ink or something like that if you need to do that. That's how I started. But after a little while, you can just freehand it and just think of the next word. Let's write the word peace. Here's P-E-A-C. And cut your thread. So it's really just that simple, guys. There's nothing hard about it. That's all I'm doing is just simply thinking of a word. What word do I want to write? Let's write create. C-R-E-A-T-E. And you can see that one got a little sloppy, but you know what? It just doesn't matter. It's just all for fun. Now, I'm going to show you something on your T's. You can do your T like I did, and then do this and go back and cross that T. Or you can cross the T as you go along. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So say we're going to write the word truth. I'm going to just kind of, I want to get that little guy out of the way. So I'm going to hold him there. All right, so truth. We're going to go up for the T. And then we're going to cross it and then come back down. T-R-U-T, cross it. And it's just a lot easier. You don't have to go back. And there's the word truth. And you can cut it. So it's just that simple, guys. All you have to do is drop your feed dogs and use some kind of interfacing. Like I said, I'm using Heat and Bond Light. Unless you have a stiff fabric. You know, this fabric alone is stiff enough. I probably didn't even have to put that backing on there. So anyway, it's easy. And now you just cut them apart with pinking shears or whatever, and then trim all the little extra threads that get caught up in there. So I hope this has helped you, and I thank you for watching, and Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye-bye.